Google just gave the Pixel 10 Pro one of its smartest photography features yet, and it's called Camera Coach. Think of it like having a photography teacher built right into your phone. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works and how it can instantly help you take better shots. Camera Coach uses Google's Gemini AI models to guide you while you're shooting. It doesn't just snap the picture, it teaches you how to frame, light, and compose like a pro step by step. To get started, make sure you're on Wi-Fi or data since Camera Coach taps into Google's advanced models. Open your camera app, and in the top right, you'll see a camera icon with a star. Tap it, that's Camera Coach. When you aim at your scene, Camera Coach captures a preview shot. Don't worry, this isn't the final photo. From here, you'll see a list of focus options. You can pick what you want the photo to emphasize, or let Camera Coach give you inspiration. Once you've chosen your focus, you'll see suggestions for framing, lighting, composition, zoom, and photo modes. Just tap the arrow near the shutter button to move through the tips one at a time. Each one helps you improve the shot step by step. After you've gone through the suggestions, you're ready to take the photo. The idea isn't just to snap a better shot, it's to learn new photography skills as you go. Over time, you'll naturally start taking better photos even without the tool. So that's Camera Coach on the Pixel 10 Pro, your AI-powered photography teacher. Are you going to use it every time or just when you need inspiration? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Pixel 10 tips and hidden features.